Welcome to So Yarn Crafty. Hello, today we're going to make Rice Krispy Treats. Now the first thing you need is 6 cups of Rice Krispies, a stick of butter, a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, and a pan to the shape of the Rice Krispies that you want them to be, preferably a rectangle pan, and some parchment paper. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is melt our butter and cook it for a little while so it can get a nice nutty flavor. All right, then next we're going to put in our marshmallows and we're going to stir those in the butter, keeping the heat on medium to medium low. Stir those up until it gets nice and melted. And once it is nice and melted, we're going to add our Rice Krispies. When we add those, we're going to keep the heat on, bring it down to low, and keep stirring to coat the Rice Krispies with the marshmallow cream. Okay, this is what it should look like. Go ahead and turn off your heat, and you can go ahead and put it in your dish. And here we go. We're putting it in our dish now so we can so it can cool down and so we can shape them. All right, and then you press it out to shape it. Use some parchment paper to press it down, get it nice and compact. And then once you do that, you cut them and you plate them. Look at this, nice and chewy. Looks delicious. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks. Take care.